everyone, welcome to our vlog. Today, I'm super excited to bring you to an amazing event here in Barangay Binitayan, the first Giel Franco Volleyball Clinic. This event is all about helping the youth enhance their volleyball skills while promoting teamwork, discipline, and sportsmanship. Let's get started.
So why did we choose Barangay Binitayan? Well, this barangay is filled with talented and passionate youth who deserve opportunities like this to grow and develop. We believe in their potential, and this clinic is our way of empowering them through sports. Because of the renovation of the Binitayan covered court, all participants and coordinator decided to move the venue in Banyag covered court.
Now let's hear from our SK chairman about this exciting initiative. What is the main objective of this volleyball clinic for the youth of Barangay Binitayan?
So yung main objective nito is to enhance their skills syempre sa sports. And syempre marami na bagay yung lagi na lang tayo basketball. So syempre para mabigyan din natin yung mga kababaihan, tapos yung mga hindi naglalaro ng basketball na ma-showcase din nila yung talent nila sa volleyball. Kasi alam naman natin na mahilig bagat sila sa volleyball. So bigyan din natin sila ng pagkakataon na mapakita din nila yung talent.
What are the benefits of this volleyball clinic for the participants and the community?
So, sa murang edad, gusto natin yung mga kabataan is ma-inlove sa larangan ng sports para sa kapag lumalaki sila, maiwasan nila yung mga piso and mga pagdodroga, pag-iinom, pag-sigarilyo. Siyempre, wala against that. Sa mga ganitong edad, mga bata, para ma-develop yung camaraderie nila. And magagawa nila ito sa community and magbigay ng honor sa community. Kung sakali naman, ma-enhance sila yung skills nila, makaproduce tayo ng magaling athlete.
What skills and techniques in the volleyball will be taught to the participants?
Yung deeper level ng skills and techniques ng volleyball is, I think, sa coaches na yun, sa kanila na yun. Ang alam ko lang is, siyempre for the first day, you begin with the basics. Yung mga pag-didig, pag-serve, pag-set, mga ganon. Tapos, yun. Yung mga deeper level, sa coaches na yun, game ko.
What valuable lessons can volleyball teach the youth beyond the sport itself?
Siyempre, beyond the sport, siyempre yung sa sports natin is yung skills, diba? Pero dito, beyond the sport, we develop camaraderie sa mga bata. Yung mga mas deeper relationship sa mga bata. Kasi yung mga yan, they're from different rocks. No? And siyempre hindi yan magkakakilala lahat. So, sa paraan ito, at least makakahalubilo nila yung isa't isa and ma-develop yung relationship para sa barangay natin, magkaroon din ng mga mabubuting kabataan na mag-form sila ng group ng volleyball.
So, what is the kind of program being conducted for the youth?
Kinakandak natin to, siyempre, sabi ko nga kanila, is to produce na mga atleta, ma-enhance yung skills nila and ma-develop ang camaraderie and yung sa vision para hindi sila mapunta sa mga landas. Yun lang isa yung sa mga objectives talaga.
Last question. Are there any plans to organize similar sports clinics or other programs in the future?
Yes. Actually, sa 2025, naglagay na kami sa budget for sa Linggo ng Kabataan ata yon yung mga board games. At pag-uusapan pa yun ng council kung paano namin yung niraranda. And itong mga volleyball clinics, mag-continue pa naman ito hanggat nandito pa ako sa term ko. And anyway, this is sponsored sa akin, sponsored ko naman ito. And every December kasi, mula nung maupo ako, nagkakanda kami ng volleyball tournament. And ngayong taon, bago tayo mag-proceed sa volleyball league, volleyball tournament, mag-volleyball clinic muna tayo para ma-enhance muna yung skills ng mga kabataan, para maging prepare sila sumali sa mga tournament.
Yes po, thank you.
Now, let's hear from the coaches who are making this clinic unforgettable experience for the youth. Coach Shaya, can you share your thoughts about being part of this event?
So thank you. Being part of this event is very grateful because I can teach also young generations now about how valuable it is. And sa ganitong event, matutulungan namin ang mga bata kung paano maglaro ng volleyball.
And what it is like to train these young players in Barangay Binitayan?
Of course, the sportsmanship, matutulungan namin sila kung ano ibig sabihin ng sportsmanship because nowadays, we forget what is sportsmanship is. In this way, hindi lang sila matututo sa skills, kundi din sa kahalagahan kung ano ang ibig sabihin ng totoong sport, which is the sport.
Sports like volleyball aren't just about playing teams or winning competition. They help shape young minds and bodies in so many ways. For instance, sports teach discipline, build some self-confidence, and encourage healthy lifestyles.
Right. It also a great way to develop leadership and social skills. In team sports, everyone has a role to play, and it's a reminder that success is often achieved through collaboration and trust.
And let's not forget, it's a fun way they stay active and make new friends. Programs like this volleyball clinic are essential for keeping the youth engaged in productive activities, especially during their formative years.
To wrap it up, sports isn't just about skills, it's about character building and creating a supportive community. Big thanks again to the coaches and everyone involved in making this clinic a success. For me, this event is not just about volleyball. It's about community and empowerment. It's inspiring to see the youth come together, learn, and grow. Programs like this reminds us how important it is to invest in the potential of the next generation.
Being part of this event has reminded me of how powerful sport can be in shaping individuals. It's not just about winning or losing, but about the personal growth and connection we build along the way. The youth here in Barangay Binitayan have so much potential, and I'm glad we're able to witness it firsthand.
This clinic made me realize how important it is to provide spaces where young people can grow and learn. It's not just about teaching skills, it's about building their confidence and showing them that they can achieve great things when they work together.
Watching these young athletes work hard and push their limits was incredibly inspiring. It made me reflect on how I can push myself harder in my own life. Programs like these are a reminder of how much we can accomplish when we have the support and guidance.
And that's it for today's vlog. A big round of applause for the youth of Barangay Binitayan who showed incredible dedication and energy throughout the clinic. You guys are amazing.
Shout out to the coaches, SK officials, and everyone who supported this event. This clinic proved that when a community works together, amazing things happen.
Remember, it's not just about the skills we learn today. It's about the value we carry with you moving forward. Keep practicing, keep dreaming, and keep striving the excellence.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to catch more inspiring events like this. See you in the next vlog, everyone. Bye!